Hi everyone, here we've got a REALME C15 and let me show you how to show battery percentage on this device. So first of all, let's find and open the settings. Then let's scroll down a little and find notifications and status bar. And here we've got the status bar and show battery percentage on status bar, so click on it. Now it is set, it is only the battery icon, but if you want you can choose inside the battery icon or outside the battery icon. So let me pick, for example, inside battery icon, and as you can see inside the battery icon we've got the exact percentage of the usage of the battery. Let me change it to outside the battery icon, and now it is simply next to it. So this is it. This is how you show the battery info in your REALME C15, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.